Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add location to your Snapchat. So first you need to open up your Snapchat app, and then here you need to record the video or choose from your gallery. So I already have it in my camera. I will choose from that one. Now you need to click on the arrow in the right panel, and here you will see a link button. You need to click on it, and then here you need to search for Google Maps, and then click on enter, and here you need to click on the top link, and this is where you need to choose your location. You need to search for the location. For example, if I am in Karachi, I will click on Karachi airport, and then after that you need to click on attach to snap, and here you can see that location has been added to my Snapchat. So this is how you can add location to your Snapchat. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.